Pardo Ariola, Filipino. I am a Catholic, 33 years of age, married with 4 kids. My husband is working as a driver. I have 6 brothers and I am 6th in the family.
Okay, so good day to you, Miss Ariola. How are you right now?
Good day, sir, madam. I am fine, thank you.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam, a good domestic helper must be responsible, trustworthy, patient, and humble.
Okay, so can you tell us the proper way in how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, the proper way of taking good care of the children is by giving them food on the right time, keeping them clean by taking them a bath, play with them, and treat them as your own children.
So what if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I will apologize to my employer and promise them not to do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please do hire me because I need this job for my family and for the future of my children. I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Ariola, and good luck.
Thank you, sir, madam.